investment you are dealing with, you know? So you have some smart ones, sometimes when you pull it up.
Check out here with the
know, say, I'm not get him out of the street, the more I come. You understand? Anything, I say anything where I look out for more I come. But you know, say, son, hard to get, so I'm going to spend the whole day at a quarry. Yeah. Yeah, man, I know, man. I need to spend time to do it. Yeah.
Dealing, boy. He's the one who go chop wood. Yeah. How much at the bunny? And he might tell you it's a 13 yard.
Yeah.
When he hit the 13 yard, you have to buy 50.
Fuck 50.
Watch him now, no. He always say no. Buy 13, start 13 spoon.
Yeah.
So, what the I him to be buying, you know.
Yeah.
So, he found out the only way he look like the buy.
Yeah.
And give to me.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, if you need to get more man, you never get the again, come down, you chop them and all the things.
Right.
And then, I'm some funny. So, if you buy 13, spoon 13, son, and that's the other one. And that's the same, he said he can't hear it, and I'm like,
No.
so when he said,
I ain't coming to son of a can't go wrong. I ain't
I'm
coming
going to say now, man.
read about that. I'm telling you, it's a part of me now. I'm telling you what I'm doing. I'm really what's yours now. Then, so we're going to it's cheaper for the car, so we're going to take more money. I'm going to use the difference of like that style. Another one price and 30 grand for what we care about. So, they should have the problem. So, say, alright, we have to do this, brother. Alright, no. Yeah, man. Yeah, I know that to bargain, but I think I joke is it. I think I get a water on the machine. Yeah.
So, me know the material have a list. The money not in order to what 60 years.
Yeah.
But me I make it know say, yo, if I 10,000 less, you still have to give me $30,000.
Yeah, man. More.
Yeah, they mean
40 grand, yeah, man.
Then you know come and say, oh brother, I'm far, you know.
Yeah, I mean.
So if you pass it, you tell us say, you wouldn't carry the XYZ from out or something. I'm far, yeah.
Let me not tell him straight to man before we call him back and tell us him to come, man. Because we're not joke, brother.
No, but we not have to brand come.
Remember, say we don't have an office job now, so anything I'm used to lay away by pan, we sleep in a different runnings, you understand? Then things up and running the right way.
If you want to come up there, if you want to spend the money and take you
I don't care, as long as the money right.
That's me and
I mean, I make sure I tell him, say, yo, at least before we move in, brother. So if we come up with a stunt, but when you reach there, that Ross not tip off until you get the rest of money.
when you reach 55, right now you better, you need tell me not like that guy. You know what I mean? If you tell me not like that, yesterday let me see him.
Yeah, man, I don't care about it.
Money.
Yeah, man.
Straight away I'm going to say, yo,
Not depend on
but
that.
I want to carry you know, find somebody else.
When they can't find the money for the price, and why you can't find the orange money same time?
I'm not here for about. So me tell him say, when the guy go make sure say money there.
But must.
I mean, they never have to deal.
No, joking to me, I deal, man. All of you never have no gas. So you hear me tell the brother, say, yo, tell the people that say, want some gas to move.
Yeah?
Man say, boy, I never know, say, I say, I say, hey, but we don't have no gas, so we can't go right.
The people that even they have no problem to give you money.
Aye. And then you come on there and make him back a nice night.
The man say, me I give you 25,000 for night.
Yeah.
I say, alright. Then $2,000.
Aye.
$2,000 can buy iron to carry to.
Two trip, yeah.
But they not take money.
No.
So,
That's why I'm brown.
yeah. But with them things, you say when you go buy it, you rob them. You don't tell me rob a man.
Yo,
$2,000 me can't rob a man.
I tell a man, say my business, me I run that straight to the brother. Me in a round corner area. Oh, give me money to pick it time, man. Me in a round corner area business, you see me? Customer get their receipt. If they say they want 10 ton respect, I 10 ton them I get their receipt same way, you see me? Yeah, man, I don't have the time for it. Because say boy me a grown a man
Alright.
and try to rob him.
The lady where we carry the stand for mango body. When we keep on standing,
Yeah.
the man give it down and say, buy a beer, brother.
Aye.
So if we didn't even rob them,
Aye.
you can't rob them, fuck.
No make no sense. No make no sense no man. But you just do your thing straight and done, you see me?
Still like you go security man.
Yeah.
And even robbing money, no, no, me robbing money, no.
Yeah.
It's all me buy with material, with money.
Yeah man.
Can't buy.
Right.
So we robbing money, robbing things, buy me the buy. So what do you expect? It's security man.
Oh, when you have money, I hear the money.
He give me how much thousand and I say, yo, tell the man, how 100,000 you give me, you don't give me no much.
I want around this up. Alright, but out there here.